Okay guys, I've got a super easy slow cooker meal for you. It is a taco chicken pasta. Yeah, let me show you how to make it. It's one of those dump everything in the slow cooker, turn it on and walk away. I've added 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts to my slow cooker, and then 1 can of fire roasted diced tomatoes, a 4-ounce can of diced green chilies, and then I have my homemade taco seasoning here, but you could use a packet of taco seasoning. Okay, this has been cooking for 4 hours on high and it is now done. So here is what I like to do to shred my chicken. I use a hand mixer to just shred it, and it works really, really well. See, just look at that. And now I'm adding 2 cups of chicken broth and then 2 cups of pasta, and you can use your favorite pasta. All right, then I'm gonna give it a stir and cover it up and let it cook for another 30 minutes. And then your pasta should be nice and tender. And now I'm going to add 2 big heaping tablespoons of sour cream just to finish it off. This just makes it nice and creamy. And the thing is, this is such a versatile meal. You could literally add whatever you wanted. If you wanted to add black beans or corn, you could throw that in. And you could even shred this chicken and put it on tacos if you wanted. I just added pasta. Delicious. Well, thanks so much for watching. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.